Hi everyone! Today I'll show you our new tailgate table. No cutting, no drilling, no fuss assembling. You need just put 3 screws and it has been installed. They are lightweight, ecological and have a reasonable price. We are covering them with a waterproof and durable bed liner, so you can use it everywhere in your off-road trips. It will withstand all moistures. We use quality of gas springs, so you can open and close it without any efforts. Thanks to gas springs, it stays closed without any latches. And you need just one simple action to open it. We are producing these tables in Houston, Texas, in the United States. We are shipping it worldwide. Free delivery in the United States. We used any inch thoughtfully. So the basis is big, and the main important thing that the surface of the table is also really huge. So I'll show you the dimensions now. Almost 16 inches, 31 inch, and the height of the basis is almost 12 inch. There are special holes for glasses here. You can make a little picnic with this table. You can put a lot on the surface. Now I'll show you a little example how it can look. Little things for a Halloween atmosphere. So you can stay everywhere and enjoy your food. It's so handy and it boosts your road trips. You can use it for your laptop, for your working, so if you have your remote job or you are just a workaholic, that's the best decision for you. We are also producing these cargo drawers, camper kits. Now we are developing the shelf for Jeep Wranglers, and it will be adjustable, so you can put the shelf here, here or here. So it is really convenient. You can have a lot of places for arrangement your stuff, so you could put it inside under the floor, inside this cargo drawer, above this cargo drawer and on the shelves. And you will have this additional 2 compartments, and you also can store some items here and here. Now this one is just draft, so it doesn't cover it with anything, and in future it will be covered with varnish or in bed liner. We've not yet decided what the covering will be on this item, so if you have any ideas, suggestions, please feel free to write down in the comments your vision and what material this shelf should be covered. This tailgate table is compatible for our cargo drawers, so you can use both at the same time. We are huge Jeep lovers, so we've decided to add this bright picture on this tailgate table. So if you love it too, please write below in the comments. If you'd like to see another picture, please also write down in the comments. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe the channel to see more Overland stuff.